Hi everybody, today I want to talk to you about bank statements. So it's one of those things that you can turn in as a proof of home ties when you're applying for J1 visa or tourist visa. If you don't have any bank account that is under your name at this point, you definitely should open one now. If you have a payroll bank account, that will do. You don't have to have a separate bank account just for this. So when you turn in your bank statement, it doesn't have to be one that comes from the bank signed by the bank officer. You can just open your online account. There should be a portion there where you can see your transactions when you make withdrawals, when making deposits into that bank account. That's all that they need. You don't have it signed by anybody. You can download it, save it as a PDF document, or if you want, you can print it out and then scan it, and then that's what you turn in for bank statements. So that's how easy it is. I have covered, the other things that you can turn in for home ties in my other reels and also long form videos on my YouTube channel. So make sure to subscribe if you have not done so already. If you want more information about how to teach in the US on J1 or H1B visa. Good luck to you on your application.